The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video about T-Mobile, guys. So I'm on PhoneInternet.com here with reading an article here. The article got published a couple of days ago. So it says here T-Mobile takes on cable TV with a disrupting service to be launched in 2018. Okay, so let's go see what it has to say here. So as you guys see that there's a YouTube video from T-Mobile with John Legere in there. Yeah, let's check out this video here. Same old bullshit. Man, I can't believe this fucking video is 5.5 minutes long. I can't fucking believe it. Fuck that. God damn. Damn right it is. Damn right, John. Let it damn right. Fuck Comcast, dude. So yeah, guys, as you guys saw the video there, John Legere goes and talks about the new thing that's going to be launching. It's called Layer3. It's like a technology or whatever. So yeah. So if you guys understand the video, you guys probably will not be able to hear the video because the sound's probably muted out when this video is uploaded to YouTube. So I suggest you guys watch the video for yourselves, and there is subtitles in the video, so you guys are seeing, hopefully that you guys seeing what's going on in the video. So this is interesting, so let's go check this out. And yeah. So it says, not to be outdone by the TV efforts of AT&T and Verizon, T-Mobile CEO John Legere took to YouTube to announce an ambiguous push into cable TV. It turns out that the Un-carrier is planning to have a TV service on offer at some point next year, and has acquired the Denver startup Layer3 TV as a launching platform. The future of TV looks a lot wireless from a few years ago, says John Legere, but he doesn't plan on being satisfied with the all-popular skinny bundles of a few streaming channels. Rather, the Layer 3 current platform with no less than 256 channels will be used as a model for T-Mobile service. As a distribution, the Un-carrier plans on launching this as a hybrid between Comcast or Charter traditional cable bundles and streamers like Sling or YouTube TV. In addition, current top dogs like Netflix and Hulu should also be bundled in, while T-Mobile leverages the contracts and partnerships that Layer 3 has already created. T-Mobile CEO remained mum on the pricing and launch details of its new TV package, but the offer will similarly be modular, with users be able to add or discard channels with ease, with the respective pricing reflections. The chiefs of Layer 3 are former Fox and Comcast veterans, so they know a thing or two about triple play bundles, and they now all work for T-Mobile. Stay tuned. So T-Mobile's gonna be launching a TV service in here 2018. They're gonna get help from Layer 3, which is a startup company. It's a platform thing, and they're going to get help from Layer 3, which is based in Denver, Colorado. So this is pretty interesting. There hasn't been nowhere on pricing or launch date yet, so it says sometime in 2018 this will be launching. So this is very interesting, guys, and yeah, John Legere is doing some crazy shit again, you know. But we'll see how this thing plays out, and yeah, one of the things on T-Mobile's, see the same thing on T-Mobile's page too. So we're at the newsroom on T-Mobile here. So there's the YouTube video right there. What showed you guys in the article that I'm finding right now. Y'all listen, check this out. This got announced on the 13th, which was Wednesday, I believe it was. So check that out. So we see how this thing plays out. It says that it's gonna so that the Layer3's current platform with no less than 256 channels will be used as a model for T-Mobile service. So I guess we get 256 channels, I guess. And the chiefs at Layer3 are former Fox and Comcast veterans, so they know, about bundles and shit. So fuck Comcast. Comcast fucking sucks ass. So it says that top streamers like Netflix and Hulu should be bundled in too, and it says that T-Mobile was going to leverage contracts and partnerships that Layer3 has already created. So that'd be pretty interesting to see. It says that T-Mobile's going to launch as a hybrid between Comcast or Charter's traditional cable bundles and streamers like Sling TV and YouTube TV and all that. So yeah, this is very interesting, guys. What do you guys think about this? What do you guys think about this? So as I said in the article, T-Mobile has required the startup company called Layer3. They've required them. So we'll see how this thing plays out. And yeah, would you guys ditch your cable for this? I'll let you know that in the comment section video. So once we get more information about this TV service from T-Mobile, whatever, I'll do more videos about it as time goes on and get more information about it. So this is pretty damn cool, and we'll see how this thing plays out. John Legere is fucking crazy. He's an awesome CEO. So he's doing crazy things again. We'll see how this thing plays out, and we'll see. So I guess when T-Mobile launches the TV service or whatever, and they're not gonna have no contracts or whatever. And in the video he talks about the triple plays and the contracts and the and all that shit, and about cord cutting and Netflix and all that. Watch the whole video. The video's a 5.5 minutes long. So that's why I didn't really talk much at the beginning of the video, because I was trying to watch the video. But when you guys watch the video, you guys should you guys will not hear no sound when you guys watch this video, because the sound will be muted out. But if you guys go to this article and click on the video, you guys will hear video, and you guys will see subtitles in there. So that's pretty cool. So what do you guys think about T-Mobile taking on cable TV with their disruptive service? What are they gonna call this thing? It's remaining to be seen, so we'll see where this thing goes. And yeah. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.